For today, you will be playing a game called Lotto. To begin, each player will receive a board. This is what the board looks like. You will also have a stack of small pieces of paper and some sort of counter or manipulative to cover your board game. Let's look at the rules. Lotto. Take card. When we say card, we're referring to these small pieces. Say the words or contraction. On the back of these cards, you will either have words like this here that says you had, or you might have a contraction, such as I'd. You will match the words and the contraction. When you match one of the words, cover your space with one of your markers. So, let's take a look at what it'll look like. For example, I flipped one of these small cards over and it had the words you had. What contraction do we know uses the word you had, and what does it create? I see the answer right here, so I'm going to pick up one of my markers and put it on top of you'd, because I know that you had creates you'd. I'm going to do another one just to show you. The next word ended up being a contraction. It's he'd. What two words do we know combine to create the word he'd? If you said he had, that is correct. So grab one of your markers and cover up that spot on your board. I would only go one time, and then the person to the left of me would take a turn. You will go around with your group or partner, and whoever covers up their board first with all of their markers wins the game.